We are painting 10 different Christmas trees using 10 different creative ideas. This is the 9th card in the series of making Christmas cards. To create this beautiful card, we are going to use watercolor bleeding technique. Let us start by painting the background using blue color. The blue color is diluted with too much of water to make it pale for the background. After painting the background, allow the paper to dry completely. My paper is completely dry and I have drawn a triangle using a scale and pencil and started to paint the triangle using green color. While painting inside the triangle, I'm leaving some blank spaces which is going to be filled with red color. So while painting the red color, we are going to allow the red color to bleed into the green area. Now I'm applying red color in the in between green areas. When the brush touches the green area, the red color bleeds into the green area. Important thing that you should note here is the green color is still wet. If the green color that you applied got dried, then this bleeding technique doesn't work there over the dry area. So while painting the green color, make sure that the pigment is mixed with little amount of water so that it is not in butter consistency, and also it should not be in it should not be too much diluted. After applying the colors, let the color to bleed even more by tilting the paper. At last, add trunk to the tree and a star at the top of the tree. Hope you like this idea for creating the Christmas tree. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.